Hi guys, my name is Deshita, and in my bird, means not that bird, the little one and baby one, and it came to my house, the big one. It's a pigeon. It came from the sun, and its sunlight make like that, and it's drinking water. My mom gives, and I'm so scared to hold him because his wings is opening and beating everyone. Means not everyone. Just my mom. Just I pet him a little bit. He's drinking water and he is drinking a little bit food from us. He's going poop everywhere and my mom's dress too. But he didn't see inside our house like that. But it's good they didn't came to our house. Now see, it is. That's the food. She's eating a little bit because she likes a little bit. The rice and that round thing, I don't know what we call in English. And Telugu I forgot. In Telugu too. That is, it's a pigeon. From sunlight it will come. It's changed the color. It's really a pigeon, I think so. And don't do like this, means saving the food, saving things, not like that. And wear bangles all day and save the birds and save the soil and save the plants and save the earth. Everything too, but not everything means everything, but a little bit. Everything means little bit, like little bit saving the mask and little bit saving the toys, a little bit saving the just don't say that, but important means birds and soil and plants and earth. Earth we can't go space, that's okay. And everybody, when a bird came to your house and give food and water all day when it come. Any bird. No, not only that bird, any bird. And in our house, lots of birds are coming. When we not take this YouTube video, har video, and so many birds are coming. We not going this balcony anymore. Just TV and phone. That's all. Now plants. No TV and phone. And in summer, lots of birds are came to our house and give water and food. On summer, you have to go to your big balcony or your side balcony or your windows. It will come in your windows, or you can give food or food. And when it's a flat place, it will come here on down windows. I have one. I'll show you later in next video. And my mother is holding like that, and it's getting angry and pinching my mom, means not with the beak or not with the nails, only with wings. And some feathers will fall. Ante means 2 feathers I think so. I didn't count. And it's have pink legs. I love that bird, and I love pigeons so much. And so many birds came, and that next video is there, right? Means the baby bird is there. I hold it. In that video, on next day, on back day, last week. Then it's not summer then. Then my mom said, "Oh, baby birds and a nest," she said. Then I come so fastly. Then mom put video on. The mummy bird is not here there, like that I'd say. Oh, my mom is holding, and she didn't take video too. But I'm so angry. Oh, that's me. I'm saying, ha, oh, see me, smile, peekaboo, peekaboo. I'm telling like that to photo and video like that. Because I had to show my dad and my all family to show. Look that, oh, look that big. It's really pink. I love pink. Oh, look that big too. It's so like pink. And kids, see this video too. Means love them. I love birds so much, and big people too. Take care birds. Oh, bird no means not pet them means I have a bird. I don't have a bird really, but I have a bird, and I'm taking my bird and taking all day long means a pet. Then that pet cuter than outside beds. Put in your balcony or not in the means window. Put in your balcony or big balcony up there, so much up. Put lots of plants there. Then birds will come. Really, I'm telling. Just try now only. Stay in the house all day. When you going another house, don't put plants in there because birds will come in 1,000 years. Not 1,000 years. Later birds will come. Not one day. Will come later. In summer, lots of birds came. We didn't take them. Only seeing TV. That's all. Now in summer we are taking. And one more thing, summer camp is from birds and plants. Or don't see TV, phone a lot. Only little bit phone and TV, and so much means plants and birds and soil and earthworms. And one more thing I will tell. Farmer friend is worms. Because it will make I don't know about so much of worms, and I don't know. I subscribe and like when you know worms can make soil. And it's not done yet the video. Look at the cute little pigeon. Subscribe and like. Is this the pigeon or not? Or a crow? Crow is not look like that. I think so. And I name it Cutie. It look like a girl like that. And subscribe and like. It's a boy or girl. Tell it for me. Or my mom. My mom will see everything from you. The secrets of the world. And not me. It's going in the water and touching the flower. When it's touching the flowers, it's flying away. Means not in the trees, like not like that. Only here only. Now it's a little bit shy to my mom. When it's come again, I'll hold it. It will beat me because I didn't hold. I just pet a little bit. Only one time. And baby birds will come and one is make a nest because we not coming to there. Then the baby birds back. I tell you that one right. And my mom take this baby bird video, and then the mom is sounding lots of because we take off the nest and take caring the baby bird. That's why. Then he's shouting a lot. And take care plants, not pets like that. Only take care plants. Then you can be healthy. Really. Try once, then you will be healthy. Not in one day, only later. Really. Try for later, then you will be healthy. No problem at all. Problem means not like this. Oh, a plant fell down. How can I do? Not like that. Not like that. Only like this. Problem means I'm sick. I have a cold. Not really. I have a cold. I'm so sick. Then I take care plants. Then I be healthy so fast. Like that. And plants will give you oxygen, but not they can move only in earth. In space it can go send in the earth. Then the plants can send into our nose to smell. And you don't know what is plants food. Only plants drink is only water, and plant food is our air. Means I do like this. Then it will eat and come. When you do so fast, when you are far away from the plants, it can do that much, but it can do a little bit. And in future you can farm and me I'm sorry, and you can be a farmer. And anyone are not being farmer, and that's me. Wait, that's me. I want to hold, but I can't. I'm so scared. And bye. Subscribe and like. Bye.